Hey guys, how are you all doing? My name is Gaurav. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about the Motorola Generation 1 Razr smartphone. I'm specifically mentioning Generation 1 because Lenovo, the parent company of Motorola, has officially confirmed that there will be a Generation 2 of the Motorola Razr smartphone. And it is going to be released in the late September of 2020. Uh, Now let's talk about the Motorola Razr Generation 1. Motorola has rebooted its iconic Razr flip phone into a flippable smartphone. Motorola Razr was the first ever vertically flippable smartphone to hit the market. Motorola banked on nostalgia for the Razr to drive interest into its new flippable smartphone, and it has definitely worked. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this phone.
Like me no more. Shining like a supernova, brand new code hanging on my shoulders. I got what you need, I'm your main controller. So hop right in and don't take it slower. Get on up to my cloud, ain't nobody here's taking us down. Hit 'em with the rhythm, banging that sound. That's when we get 'em, hit the whole town. Got what you want, I got what you need. You bring the lock, I got the keys. Come to me, can't get enough. Don't fit the box, don't fit the mold, 'cause you know I just tear it up. They don't make 'em like me no more. They don't make 'em like me no more. Make 'em like me no more.
The Motorola Razr has a screen size of 6.2 inches with a POLED foldable display which is made out of plastic on the inside and a secondary 2.69 inch GOLED glass display on the outside. The RAM is 6 GB and the ROM is 128 GB. It has a processor of Snapdragon 710. It has a rear camera of 16 megapixels and a front of 5 megapixels. The battery is 2510 mAh. Which is very less compared to all other smartphones. If you compare it to Samsung's Z flip phone, it has an arguably better display in terms of look and feel. A better processor, it has a more RAM, more storage, a larger battery, new and a better camera. Let's talk about the Motorola Razr Generation 2 smartphone. What we think we know about it through our sources. The Motorola Razr Generation 2 is going to be a 5G enabled smartphone with a XT2071-4. I don't know what it is, but it is what it is. This Generation 2 Razr smartphone is powered by a Snapdragon 765 and 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of ROM as confirmed by the Lenovo, the parent company of Motorola. The rear camera is also getting an upgrade to Samsung's 48 megapixels ISO bright GM1 sensor, while the rear camera is also getting an upgrade to its 20 megapixels front camera. The second generation model is being designed for China and North America, but it hasn't been confirmed yet that it is going to be released in India, Europe and other Latin American markets. As confirmed by Lenovo, it has a Snapdragon X52 modem. This is all we know about the Razr Generation 2 smartphone for now, but I'll let you all know if I get to know something more about this phone. Thank you all for watching. I hope you like this video. If you did like, please do like. If you're new around here, subscribe, and thank you all for watching.